Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making your account private. Go to Settings, right arrow Privacy and Safety, and enable protected tweets so only approved followers see your posts. Next, remove or privatize your phone and email contact points. These are searchable recovery paths. Once done, change your password to a strong, unique one and revoke unknown app access. Make sure to end any active sessions you don't recognize so no one else stays logged in. These first steps cut public exposure immediately while you continue tightening controls. You now control who sees and interacts with your profile. Manually audit followers and remove or block anyone you don't trust, because protected tweets still expose content to followers. Once done, opt out of public lists and disable location and photo tagging to prevent unexpected metadata leaks. Make sure DMs are limited to people you follow or trusted contacts only. This prevents unwanted messages and hidden invites. These mid-step actions reduce indirect exposures and tighten the circle that can reach your account. Finish by removing past exposures. Delete tweets that reveal personal info and consider downloading and purging your archive for a fresh start. Then enable login alerts and set up two-factor authentication using an authenticator app rather than SMS for stronger protection. Once done, recheck app authorizations and revoke any session or app that looks unfamiliar. If things go wrong, like unexpected posts or accesses, revoke all sessions, change your password, and reauthorize only trusted apps. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.